this here in a minute. Good morning and welcome to the Train Expert channel on this Wednesday, July 27th, 2022. We have a very short grain hopper train. Let's check it out. With the Alco 85 unit. Nope, I don't see a Tom. It has to, or excuse me, jack. I don't think there's not a jack. It has to be a Tom. Wait. Might be a jack, but I'm not sure. But I believe there's a jack here today, and we do. Yeah. I closed up with the train the video yesterday because I ran out of time. After the meeting, I ran out of time. So I waved it off. We're gonna do a couple of freight works today, and then we have a passenger train and might get a double light power train later today for the passenger run, but I gotta do one quick errand before we get the passenger train. There you go. All right, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next train. Hopefully the light power. Talk to you later.